Can everybody hear me? I am Naveen Kumar, Vice President of Sales and Marketing of Nisarga Builders and Developers in Bangalore. I think everybody would have been surprised seeing posters outside and seeing advertisements on newspaper. What are these guys going to do about it? What kind of investment are these people are talking about? What is this property show exactly? Correct? I think for all your curiosity and for all your curious questions, there is going to be an end right now. I invite Mr. Abhinandan. Mr. Abhinandan is a very famous motivational speaker and trainer and who is also a spokesperson for Nisarga Builders and Developers to talk about the Nisarga Gateway project, a grand project. At the same time, I also welcome Mr. R. Krishna, who is the Managing Director and CEO of Nisarga Builders and Developers. And last but not least, a grand welcome to our speakers. Thank you.
So before I proceed, I know you have a lot of questions. You have responded to the advertisement in the newspaper here. Maybe you have looked at this advertisement here. Am I right? All right. But I've looked at this advertisement or some of the banners over there. There are a lot of questions in your mind. Okay. After I invest, what is that monthly income of 50,000 rupees per month? And a lot of other questions will be there in your mind. We have designed in a presentation format, which is a very successful way of communication with the people. We have done it already 4 presentations in Lee Meridian, another 4 presentations in Hotel Ashoka and other places. We are doing it area-wise also. But before I proceed, there is a small request. Because I've seen sometimes you receive a call, it disturbs a person sitting next to them. All I request you people is, you know what, please put your mobile to a silent mode. I'll just give you 30 seconds time, just put it over there. Because I don't want in between someone picking a call and start speaking very loudly. Now, as Mr. Naveen has already told, my name is Abhinandan. I'm a trainer, speaker. I'm an associate with Mr. Krishna of the Nisarga Builders. Now, let me come to the topic right now. We have a lot of projects over here. If you have received the flyers, see this flyer over here. If you see this flyer, here we have projects somewhere from 11,25,000 here to maximum 30 lakh rupees. We are going to talk about all this project, but first we are going to highlight about one particular project over here. We are nearly 600 flats. We are going to tell you about the background of the company and what are the already successful projects, everything in detail. Now here you can see from 11,25,000 rupees with a down payment of 50,000 rupees, which is Nisarga Sarovara, which is over there in the banner over there with all the details given over there. But there is one small correction which I want to say right down late, because when the printer was putting it like this, you get a copy of it. The 11 lakh rupees one is not air conditioned. It is furnished, but it's not air conditioned over there. Now the other ones are air conditioned. Now then we have Nisarga Kirtana, which is 19 lakh rupees, 2-bedroom flat, ready for occupation. The building is totally ready. On Postal Road, you'll get the landmark, location, everything. You can pay it with a 1 lakh down payment. The remaining can be done to a banking loan, 1 lakh rupee booking amount. Now we're going to talk about own a property in Nisarga Gateway, get a regular monthly income. And we mentioned something called a potential income. It may be 35,000 also, maybe 30,000 also, maybe 25,000 also, or it may be even 1,20,000 also, depending on the market conditions. And in the future, it is a 2-bedroom suite which is nearly 27,18,000 rupees, up to 85% bank loan. This is some of the information which you have seen right now. Am I right? Yes. Just some small response. Okay. Now there are some lot of questions in your mind. We are going to answer all this in a form of presentation. But once again, what I've seen is conducting presentation for the last couple of months for this particular project. I've seen there will be some genuine buyers, and there will also be some people who will simply make statements which are totally unimportant. Okay, we will have a question answer session at the end of the presentation. I know very clearly when I'm talking about this particular project, I know we have a question answer session. We take questions from each one of you people and we're going to answer all these questions right here itself. But what I request you is, because in morning also I had an experience, I've seen this experience even in Lee Meridian also when I was conducting a seminar. Suddenly there will be a person sitting over there who will say, you may not get this kind of rental. Whatever it is, we are just going to tell. Okay? Because we know the market is very bad. The market was bad. We may not be talking maybe for another 6 months time or 1 year, maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, that area which you're talking about may develop much more better than what we have seen right now, and there is a scope or a potential for what we are going to show in the figures over given whole year. Later we'll come to the question sessions. Now let me go step by step. Let me ask you a simple question for you, because this is something which I got a recent education about it. Do you consider investing in a house as an asset or a liability? I'll repeat this question once again. Do you consider investing in a house an asset or a liability? Huh? Very good. One person says liability, so other people are stunned. Why do you consider it a liability?
Because we do not get any income from that. We always spend on that. Like if it is personal house,
Yeah.
we pay liability.
Yeah.
If investing in someone's house, considering it to give it a rent, then it's an asset.
Very good, excellent.
We pay another.
So you are familiar with the works of Robert Kiyosaki. Very good. Now I was listening to a video. If you're not aware about it, please read the books about Robert Kiyosaki or listen to some of his videos. I was stunned because my father used to always say, a house is a asset. Okay, but I was always very astonished. I have seen people having a property in Bangalore, in Mumbai, in Calcutta, sometimes on a main road, which is worth 3 crores, 5 crores. But they are living in a very shabby environment. They are living in a very small house. Okay, maybe it was their ancestral property, whatever it is. But at present it is worth something like 3 crores, and they are given some 2 portions for rent. A old rent is coming, which is hardly coming to 11,000 rupees or 12,000 rupees, and they have no thinking about if they sell this one, they are going to end up making 3 crore rupees or 5 crore rupees, which they can invest somewhere else and get a returns of even 5 lakh rupees per month also. But I've seen sometimes many people will never have an awareness. I never had this. I'm nearing 40 right now, but when I was making money in my 20s, in my 25, 28, 30, when I was making a lot of money, I was one foolish person who was not investing on asset which is going to increase our value, because no one never knew that Bangalore is going to grow like this. Yes or no? No one never knew. I remember when through my seminars and all, when I used to have 40,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, some of you like people used to come and tell me, Abhinandan, I can take you to a layout, just pay the 60,000 rupees which is in your pocket, just pay 40,000 rupees in that pocket, you are getting this plot. I used to laugh at them, neglect them. 3 years later, I'm talking about 2001, I'm talking about 2000, okay, 2004, the same plot, which was just, someone was telling me 1,20,000, 1,50,000 rupees, was worth 40 lakh rupees, was worth 45 lakh rupees. Now some of you people who are skeptical will say, Abhinandan, now the market is very bad. I do agree the market may be recently very bad. But as you all know, there are always ups and downs. You have to know at what time to put it over there. Now coming to clarify this particular thing right now called, is house, investing in a house or asset. I'll tell you some very nice story right now. Then I'm telling you why you have taken the right decision of coming over here today. And I can promise you, with the education what you're going to get and the information what you're going to get, and then the decision what you make on your life will be one of the best decisions in your life. Now when I was listening to this person called Robert Kiyosaki, who is a investor, who is a multi-millionaire, who is a mentor for millionaires around the world, he says something so nicely. He says, your house, if you are taking it on a loan, okay, on an EMI system and a mortgage, your house is actually an asset for the bank. They have listed your house in the column which will be considered as an asset. Because they do not want to say, see, it is an asset or as a liability to you. They always tell it is an asset. And we as a general public are considering it as what will mean as asset. But when it is an asset, when it is a liability is very important. Unfortunately, I have also seen people who are going, their salary will be 70,000 rupees. Software professionals, business people and all. 70,000 rupees, 80,000 rupees. They go and take a flat worth maybe 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 70 lakh rupees. For another 20-25 years, out of the salary of 70,000 rupees, they have to end up paying 20,000 rupees for another 20-25 years. Am I right, sir? Yeah. Now, according to this, throughout his life, for another 20-25 years, He is taking money what he is earning, okay, and giving out. Any money which goes out of your pocket is always a liability. For another 20 years, you are going to pay that 20,000 rupees. Am I right or wrong? Okay, what money is going to put into your pocket is always called as what? Asset. But this house, which is, many people have taken some time, is taking out money from your pocket and they are going to spend for another 20 years. According to the Latin word, the word mortgage means, listen carefully, the word mortgage means pay until your death. Pay until your death. And people make a mistake. I have seen sometimes people making a mistake. How we are different over here? Maybe we have a lesser investment of 11 lakh rupees and all. Maybe it is for your house and all. But if you are looking from an investment point, I have seen people making from an investment point that buying their second house or third house, spending something like 30 lakh rupees and ending up getting a rent of 9,000 rupees or 12,000 rupees. You understand me? Or maybe maximum 15,000 rupees. That is not, you understand me, a real asset in their life. That is, even now people are doing it in their life. So let us see right now, what is it which is going to create for you a real asset? Maybe 1 year from now, 1.5 year from now, what is the EMI which you will be paying? Maybe 2 times from that, 3 times that, 5 times like that. Now don't think it's unrealistic. It is realistic. You have to be positive right now. Okay, we'll look at the realistic picture. Are they with the pessimistic way of looking at it a bit later also. Now we'll look at this project right now, go step by step. At the end of the presentation, we'll take a full question also. Now Nisarga Gateway 3-star hotel project. Many people of us dream, how can it be nicer if I am someone, co-owner of a 3-star hotel or 5-star hotel? Yes or no? We all sometimes dream like that. Okay, how nice it would be sometimes to go stay in a hotel with all the comforts in it. Here is something which can help you to put money into your pocket also and be a co-owner of a 3-star hotel in Bangalore. Now let me go about, before I come to the particular project, let me give a background about it right now. About Nisarga Builders. Nisarga Builders is a Bangalore-based company, 10 years of experience. They are extremely successful in all the last 10 projects over there. Totally debt-free company. Now this is not the project presentation. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah. Now here, various successful projects. We already have. I'll show you some of the projects right now. Currently running worth projects more than 160 crores. We have completed projects worth more than 400 crores. Currently more than 160 projects of nearly 600 flats are running right now. The promoter of the company, Nisarga Builders, is Mr. R. Krishna, who will be taking your question answer session at the end of the presentation. He is the chairman managing director of the company. Very young, very dynamic person, down to earth, systematic in doing anything. You will meet him at the end of the presentation. Now some of the successful projects of Nisarga Builders are Nisarga Mansion, which is a 40 flats. Most of the projects are around Electronic City, in and around Electronic City, with 1 or 2 which is the other side, which will be mentioned over there particularly. If it is not mentioned, it is around in and around Electronic City. Nisarga Mansion 40 flats completely sold out. Nisarga Residency 88 flats already completely sold out. Here, Nisarga Brindavana 88 flats sold out already a couple of years ago. Now Nisarga Enclave 64 flats which are already completely sold out. Now Nisarga Kirtana 220 flats. Out of this only 40 flats are remaining. A complete construction has already come exactly on the Hosur road at the end of the flyover over there. You will get the details of the location right now. Nisarga Castle Mansion, it's in Malleshwaram. Okay. Nisarga Jasmine Bashveshanagar. Again here, Nisarga Pelli, there's a commercial building which are coming out in JC Road. Nisarga Pelli. Now Nisarga Sarovara, again a 290 flats just behind Narayan Rudralaya on the Hosur Road, only just behind that 290 flats which a project is going on. Right now we have Nisarga Kirtana, we have Nisarga Sarovara, and we have Nisarga Gateway right now. Our Nisarga Gateway we are making into a 3-star hotel project where people can buy a flat or buy a suite over there and also be a co-owner of this hotel project also. We'll go step by step to make you things understand very clearly. This comes nearly 200 suites. Many are already sold, nearly 120 are already sold right now with some of the most successful people in Bangalore, from Dr. Paran Chandra, Mrs. Bharti Vishnuvardhan, top CEOs of IT companies around Electronic City. Many of the successful doctors and all are already taken suits in a 3-star hotel project. This is how the outer look is going to look. Already the first floor is come over, the basement is come over there. Now hotel service flat with the 3-star hotel facilities. Now let me put it in a very combination way. We can call it a 3-star hotel. We can also call it a service apartment. Okay, now we can look at it in any way we want. Either I may be using a word called 3-star hotel, or I may be using a word called what? Service apartment. Okay, but totally it is your own flat. Okay, a complete 2-bedroom flat with all the features. It is not a studio apartment. Now you know here, now with the 3-star, for the first time in India, you will be, no one has done this particular project, because most of the time when people have come and met us in Bangalore, okay, being a real estate capital of India, like, people have come and told us, you know what, this is a totally new concept. Now here, this facility shall comprise 200 fully furnished suites. Each suite shall be presented with 2 bedrooms with attached and common toilet, living room, well-equipped kitchen and balcony. Now, this will range somewhere from 650 feet. I'm telling you right now, it may come at the end also. 650 feet to 800 and above feet also. Depending on the price, you can choose whichever you want from 650 or 700 or 750 or 800 or 850 or more than that also. Now, be a part of the hospitality industry. Now, is hospitality industry a growing business? Yes, it is a growing business. Maybe now it may be a recession in a few years ago, but it is still projected. Bangalore requires somewhere nearly 5,000 hotel rooms, and that is the requirement in Bangalore. Now you know here, by owning a suite in Nisarga Gateway, here all the suites sold to individual customer on an ownership basis. You are a part of this, you are a total owner of this particular one, but there is a mezzanine floor and all, lot of other things will be there which will be run by Nisarga. All the buyers become owners of the hotel and the service flats also. 3-star facilities. What will be there in a 3-star hotel or a 5-star hotel? Same facilities will be given over there. You will have a swimming pool which the owners can use. You will have a banquet hall where you can do your private parties, your birthday parties, all those things which you can use at. Conference hall, here travel desk, family restaurant, coffee shop, 24 hours coffee shop, business center, laundry service, intercom facilities, and also a health club and as well car parking and a car wash. These are some of the facilities which you people will be having like any 3-star hotel. Complete interiors will be like a 3-star hotel itself, any 3-star hotel. Now, use as your own guest house for 5 days. Now, most of the time when we travel to different cities and all, sometimes we feel that I wish I had a guest house over here. Yes or no? Or sometimes when your relatives come, your good relatives, people around the world, they come, you can't put them sometimes in your own house. Sometimes I wish I had a guest house. See, whenever I go to Northeast India, I stay in some of my friends, they're all tea managers. Manager in a tea estate means is the ultimate authority. Okay, I've seen when I go stay over there, they give me a complete guest house only. I stay over there for 3 days or 5 days or 7 days like that. They give me a complete guest house. Here you have an opportunity. You are earning money and per month you will be having totally for it for your 5 days. I can tell you how you can use it. Either you can use it for yourself to come and stay over there, or you can give it to your family members, relatives, friends, your business associate, or you yourself also can tie up with anyone and still get financial benefit. Are you getting me? I'll make it more clear for you in another few minutes later what exactly it means. I'll repeat once again. Every individual customer can use a guest house free of cost for 5 days every month. Or if you can't use it for 5 days, that is what the MD told me, you can accumulate it for nearly, you know what, how many months it will come totally? 2 months. So you can accumulate it once for all for 2 months for a whole year and come and use it for a total 2 months also. Or you can tie up with anyone and get the financial benefit out of it also. See, you can send your friends, relatives or guests by keeping the management informed. Everything will be online. You can see the control panel. You will have a control panel. Who are the guests? Then they are booked it. All the details I will be explaining about it a little bit later. Now, what's the cost of a 3-star hotel suite? Now, we all know any hotel where you go stay over there, we are telling very less amount. It will cost somewhere from minimum 2,500 if you take Hotel Arsha or Infantry Hotel or Hotel Rama, which is another name right now. Anywhere it will be costing somewhere from minimum 2,000 rupees to maximum 3,500 to 4,000 rupees per day. Yes or no? Agree or not? Yes or no, sir? Okay, for a 2 people. Now we'll just look at a minimum right now, then we'll go to the maximum, then we'll see the benefit of that particular area right now. Now here, when you are using as a guest house for yourself, let us imagine 5 days in a month or 2 months in a year. When you are using as a guest house for yourself, the cost saving will be, we are taking the minimum right now at a service department rate we are taking at 2,500 rupees to into 5. That itself comes to 12,500 rupees. Either you are using it for yourself, maybe giving it to some of your friends, or tying up with some association of firms so that 5 days they can use it and you are getting the financial benefit, whatever way it is what. Remaining 25 days, Nisarga will run for you a 3-star hotel. Now let us see about the occupancy a little bit later. Now here, this is a direct benefit to every customer every month subject to usage. Now here, now location. Now where exactly our project is coming right to Narayan Heart Hospital. Okay, now you know what? Signal free elevated flyover from Central Silk Board, from the Silk Board. Exactly it will take from Silk Board, it may take approximately 11 or 12 minutes to reach our project, or the Nisarga gateway. I think from the end of the flyover, it is another 2 kilometers, Mr. Krishna?
3.
Another 3 kilometers from the end of the flyover. Yet you are getting it is a 14-lane road. You know, 5 lane and another 4 lane. One of the second largest in India. Now, some of the proposed information I will give you right now. What is proposed by the government from Shule Circle, that is from the end of Brigade Road till Silk Board, there will be another signal free. This is what they have proposed. So I'm just, why am I telling you this? You will understand another 30 seconds later. Again, from Shule Circle to Mekri Circle, this is proposed. It may happen after another 5 years or 7 years or maybe 10 years later. From Shule Circle till Mekri Circle, there will be another signal free highway. Now what we are getting is, if you want to go from Nisarga Gateway to airport, it may take approximately the signal free road, it may take 70 or 80 minutes. Less than that, we are giving a little more only, but we are giving approximately something like 70 or 80 minutes time with total signal free. You are getting to the airport also. Now other information about the location, as we all know, it's a 10-lane signal free road up to our project over there, and another 4-lane at the top. We are 4-lane elevated flyover adjacent to our project only. Now someone location benefit I tell you right now. Here, proposed airport at Hosur close to our project. If you can Google also, Airport Authorities of India have identified a land near Hosur, near towards Karnataka side, where they will be having a proposed airport over there. The airport will be approximately 10 minutes from our project, from our place over there, from Nisarga Gateway. Now you know here again, surrounded by more than 120 IT and BT companies. Keep this in your mind right now. Why this point is very important is for our occupancy to understand. Now when you are a part of the owner, since it depends, your income depends on the occupancy. Maybe we will be running the project for you people, we will be running the business for you people, but it depends on your income depends on the occupancy. These are the advantages what you want to do people see right now. Now surrounded by more than 120 IT and BT companies that are worldwide leaders, including all these companies. We want to name them right now, from Infosys, Wipro, HP, HDMT and all. We are already invited for our seminars in Lee Meridian, and seminars in Hotel Ashoka and all. We have invited some of the vice presidents of HDMT, other HCL, HP companies and all. They themselves have come, and our marketing team has developed a very unique strategy. We have already have a 30 relationship tie-ups. We have gone and met the people over there, and we are told we are proposing a 3-star hotel facility in Electronic City, which will be worked on a service department basis. What would be your understanding if you have it over here? There are people who have told we can book 30 per month, we can book 40 people as a trainees. We have training program like this, we will be putting over there in this one. We are going to have out of 120 companies, nearly 30-35 companies, we are going to have a relationship tie-up over there. These are the benefits for you people right now. Now you know here. Now location again, as I told you, close to Narayana Health City with a proposed 30,000 beds. You can Google all this information. Apart from the 5,000 beds right now, 30,000 beds, Health City is going to come over there. This is because we all know Bangalore is also becoming very famous for medical tourism. Yes or no? It is not only medical tourism for India, but people throughout the world. Right now, for your information, I tell you, there is no, I'm repeating the word called, there is absolutely no 3-star hotel nor a service department except one called E-In. Am I right? E-In is there. I've gone to the place also, I've gone to the MD and seen the place over there. E-In charges something like 5,000 to 6,000 rupees or 7,000 rupees per day. It's like a hotel, okay, 3-star. But our prices are very nominal. Our MD is looking at a vision, where I'll tell you that when we come to the point, why our occupancy will be more. When I come to the point, I'll tell you what is our strategy to get the marketing point. Now, this is a very good point for us, because the 30,000 bed health city, when it comes, most of the time when the patients are there or there in the health city, their relatives, friends want to stay somewhere nearby only. This is an added advantage for you people. Now, patients from all over India and the world will be coming over there. Again, now to the legal aspect over there. Our project is already approved by BMRDA, by the Pollution Control Board, Karnataka Pollution Control Board clearance is there. Then legal clearance from our legal advisor, Kusuma Muniraj, who is also the legal advisor for many big real estate builders in Bangalore, like leading builders in Bangalore, including Prestige, Brigade Group, etc. also. And nearly 17 banks have approved this one, and you're getting loans from these people. See, when a bank loan has to be cleared, when a bank is approved means all the legal documents are clear. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Now you know what? You can get loans from any one of this bank, like Can Bank, Scanfin Homes, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank, LIC Housing Finance, ICICI Bank, SBI, State Bank of Travancore, and other details. Now loan available for banks up to 85%. If you're a software professional, if you're an IT payer, you'll be getting loans up to 85%. Many people, when I was at the office yesterday, day before yesterday, 6 software people, business people and all came and purchased because of the last seminar which we had in a Hotel Ashok over there. Loan available from the banks up to 85%. Now owner control. Now this is like, if you've been in the Western country, okay, you will be knowing your flat also, your individual flat also, you can sit anywhere in the world, you can switch on the light through a software. People will, software people will be knowing it. You can look at who is you can look at the frontier of your house, you can look at your porch, you can be any corner of the world. The software development work which is going on to this is very unique. You may not be in Bangalore, you may be in US or anywhere in the world. You can exactly know who is the person who is occupying your house. You can know at what time the key was taken from there, what time the key was placed. You will have a complete owner's control panel. You can log in over there and see in the 25 days time how many days your house was occupied, how many days your flat was occupied also. So it is a totally transparent system. You are also part of this organization. Let me tell you, 15 to 20 people, owners, because we can't deal with all the 200 people, 15 or 20 people will be forming a management community from whom people also suggestions, ideas will be taken for a better running for this hotel project. Now you know what, you can check online details of the guest occupancy on a day-to-day basis. Owner of the suite flat will also be a part of the hotel facility, which I already explained right now, a part of the hotel facility management panel to suggest modes of operation and improvement. Maybe some of you are more expert, some of you might have traveled throughout the world, some of you might have got better ideas. See, when Mr. Krishna was in China and other Hong Kong, other places and all, when I've been to Hong Kong, other places, I've noticed this, and I'm sure you people also have noticed this sometime. Most of the time when we go to a 5-star hotel, we have that mini bar. Am I right? We open that and see. What do we see over there? We see a lot of candies, drinks, but do we really take it? No. Why? Very expensive. You know what will be the market? If I take an example, Lay's chips, if it was available in the market over there for 25 rupees, the same thing will be here something like what? 45 rupees or 50 rupees. We see it, consciously we think, why should I pay that more? See, the strategy of the MD is very simple. You understand me? We do not want to make profit out of those things. What will be the market price in a mini bar in each suite? Okay, the kitchen stuff, whatever is there, drinks, soft drinks, whatever is there, that will be the actual MRP price. You are also aware of the fact that even when we are giving the actual MRP price, when we are buying it from the manufacturer in the source, we still get 50 to 20% less. Yes or no? Yes or no? That is how the supermarket functions also. See, this is a strategy what we are having. That time people recommend to other people. Companies will feel very comfortable to send over there because they don't have to sell. They don't have to tell. See, what is a Pepsi bottle which is available over there outside for 12 rupees is 25 rupees in your bar over there, or in your mini bar, or your kitchen over there. See, these are different strategies what we have right now. Your suggestions will also be most welcome when you're a part of it. Now, there are already many successful people in Bangalore who are a part of this right now. It's an opportunity open for you people with the limited suits available. Now, you know what? Revenue sharing. Now, let me go back right now to the revenue sharing. Let me come to the question part. 95% of the revenue goes to the owners. Now, 95% after the maintenance cost, out of the total cost. Again, 5% goes to Nisarga. 5% goes to Nisarga Builders, or, I'll repeat, or for any other organization or firm which is recommended by 2/3 of the owner's majority. Am I right, Krishna? Yeah. 2/3 of the owners, when they recommend, either it's Nisarga Builders or anyone else. Whoever is running that will get 5% after deducting the actual maintenance cost. Now, what will be this 95% revenue sharing? How it will work? Let us see right now. Let us go. Let us not be pessimistic right now, because I had a morning experience. I had earlier experience in other hotels also, and that person was saying, Abhinandan, hotels in Bangalore today are having no guests. But we also have seen a good time when Bangalore hotels are booked like anything. Yes or no? This is a time. It's a way up and down. We are talking about a long time gap right now. So let us look at a minimum right now. Even if you take a 2,500 rupees per suite, it is not a studio apartment. It's a complete house. Now I know in Indiranagar, I know per day in Indiranagar, Koramangala and all, I don't want to mention those service apartment. There are only single room studio apartment where they charge 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. But ours is a complete 2-bedroom with a hall, with a kitchen. Puja room is also there. Yeah, with a puja room, everything over there. Now you know here at 2,500 rupees per day. Let us imagine it is 80% occupancy. Now you may say, the person who is sitting over here say, no, 80% occupancy does not happen. I know Mr. Krishna is very focused on this. That is why we are working with a relationship tie-up with more than 30 companies over there. Apart from this advantage, what we have is Electronic City has more than, it's mentioned 5 to 6 over here, but actually no, nearly 8 or 9 international schools, residential schools. Yes or no? Yes or no? 8 or 9 residential. Do you know one thing about residential schools? I've been to residential schools to conduct seminars and all. None of the residential schools allow the parents to stay over there. I have seen when I've traveled in North India and all, parents have to travel sometimes 100 kilometers from the main city in the car, come and meet their children and leave back for another 20 kilometers to 100 kilometers. Here also when we met some of the residential schools, none of the residential schools whose children are coming from throughout India, whose parents are there from throughout India, they have to come back to the city. But here's an opportunity for them. If they want to stay 5 days, 10 days, we will say be with their children over there. They can stay in Nisarga Gateway over there. Because none of the residential school, nearly 8 to 10 residential school, which are in and around Electronic City, does not allow the parents to stay them over there. This is like an added advantage. IT companies, lot more until you marriage hall and all. We are looking at, if it is 80% occupancy in a month, that is out of 25 days, out of 25 days is the 80% occupancy at 2,500 rupees after 2 years time, because the project will be ended at April of 2011. Now it's going on right now, construction is going on at this one. If it is 80,000 rupees, your earning per month will be how much? 60,000 rupees. But if it is a conventional 2-bedroom house rented, you will tell me what is the approximate rent you make it? Anyone can answer me? 10,000, 12,000, 15,000. Are you getting me? Or maybe maximum 18,000 rupees. There is a very posh locality over there. Now you know, if the occupancy is something like 60%, your rental earning will be something like 45,000 rupees. If your occupancy is something like 50%, 37,500 rupees. Now it is 5,500 rupees. See, we are talking 5 years from now. We are talking 7 years from now. Let me tell you something. Your EMI will be the same amount. Yes or no? Your EMI every month will be the same amount for another 15 years or another 20 years, whatever you take. Your EMI is same, but your income as the market value increases or the real market value of the individual apartments increases over there to 5,000 rupees per day. If it is 80% occupancy, it will be something like 1,20,000 rupees. If it is 60%, it is 90,000 rupees. Again 50%, something like 75,000 rupees. We can also show you an exaggerated figure. What happens if it is 10,000 rupees? Okay, done. You know the calculation right now. I just given a rough estimation right now over here. Now, what are the benefits over there? We already told you some of the benefits, and just to close once again, give the benefits for you people right now. Owning a suit flat at Nisarga Gateway, you are getting a business income also. Now, most of the time, apart from people having already their primary house or their first house where they are staying, sometimes they look at the investment, because investing in a house property is one of the safest investment compared to either it's a stock market or whatever business, even gold or forex or whatever it is. So the safest, totally risk free. But sometimes you may not get a very huge return over there. Here you are getting a total business income without any regular monthly effort. Second thing, present hotel standard occupancy standard. Not only in Bangalore, India, people say, sometimes people may vary also, but the average, when the economy is very good, we are talking. Okay, the average occupancy across hotels in Bangalore or any city in India is more than 50%. Now, when you are taking about, now don't compare with sometimes like a 7-star hotel or a 5-star hotel. We are looking at a moderate level hotels, occupancy level where it is always above 50% of the room. Sometimes you do not get a room only when you go to a 3-star hotel also. Now, here we are expecting a minimum occupancy of not less than 50%. The reason why we are saying this is because we will have a marketing team or consistent marketing team who are working and building relationship with companies. So when companies are putting their employees, their trainee people consistently for 3 months, 6 months, that will be extremely beneficial for Nisarga Builders also and for you people who are the investors and owners of this particular project also. Now, here, occupancy strength. We are providing complete suite and not a studio or a single room. It's a complete house like. We have relationship ties with more than 50 to 60 IT companies in Electronic City. We are inviting some of the vice president marketing and all for our seminars, and we are building relationship. There's a potential of 4,500 to 5,000 rooms, suites, flats requirement in a day surrounding locations also. Now, here. There are more than 6, 8, 9 schools actually. More, if you take little far places also. There are more than 5 to 6 highly reputed international schools in surrounding area. Our project is ideally suited for the parents who come to visit their children. We will be contacting the principals, chairman of these educational institutions also. We will tell when the parents come over there, when they ask, where is the place we can stay in Bangalore? You can recommend to them. This is the kind of relationship types we will have instead of you people, because our objective will be to market it. The more the occupancy, if you have 100% occupancy on a 5%, we are getting more money. Yes or no? You understand me? And we also will be having some 10 flats on our own also. More than 10 to 12 flats will be our own also. Now here, now the question will come. Abhinandan, if yours only will be 10 flats or something, what will happen to me? When if it is something like, he's already laughing. What will happen to me if the guests are coming and you're always putting the guest to your own hotel? Now let me give you the answer. It will come over there in another sheet because the flow is coming right now. I'm just telling to you. We are taking an average. Even for some time, for the whole 25 days, your flat is not occupied. You will be seeing it online. No one has taken the key. You will be seeing it is not occupied. But how many flats are occupied? Are you getting me? So much is equally divided for 200 people, which will be fair for all. Is that right? Is that a good idea? Yeah, it is a good idea. Because you could not tell me, complain to me later, you understand me? Abhinandan, why my flat is not occupied, let out. Are you getting me? Okay, sometimes yours may be 650, someone's may be 800, someone's may be a French lead or whatever it is. So we are depending on the guest choosing it. So sometimes your flat may not even be occupied, but yet you are getting your monthly income. We feel this is a very fair system for everyone involved over there with us. Now you know here, I think it will be covered in another few sheets. Now here occupancy. Also there are some 5 marriage halls in and around our projects also. People when they do their marriages, paying a lot of money and a lot of rich people are coming over there. The chances of booking are the Nisarga Gateway project. Here, December 31st is totally reserved for the owners of the 200 flats. You people can come and celebrate your New Year party over there, your New Year bash over there. December 31st night celebration of New Year is completely free for the owners of the suite or the flat. Now you can celebrate your birthday party whenever you want. When you are taking the flat over there, you are also eligible to use the banquet hall, conference hall, whatever it is over there, you can book it in advance when there is no other booking also, because everything you can see online over there. Your birthday party, your family member's birthday party, your marriage anniversary, your New Year party, and also your personal events also. Now, as I already told you earlier, we already repeated it for you. Every individual customer can use the guest house free of cost. I am repeating the word called free of cost. Either it can be the owner itself, or the owner can recommend any of his relatives, friends, or if he is business minded, he can again tie up, because this 25 days only we are taking. We are not taking this 5 days. Am I right, Krishna? Okay, we are not taking this 5 days. This 5 days is totally left to you people. So you can again market it or have a tie up with someone else, and you can give it at a higher price or whatever it is left to you people. Now you know what? By keeping the management informed about it. Model suit is already ready. Model suit is ready over here, Krishna? Yeah, the model suit is ready. You can go tomorrow. We have a seminar tomorrow at Koramangala also. But our sales people can take you tomorrow. If you are confirming it today, you can go have a look at the model suit, which is totally ready over there. Other details will be given by Mr. Krishna. The price includes the complete interior. You will be getting a complete interior of a 3-star hotel. Either it is the carpet, either it is the curtains, either it is the furniture over there, either it is a kitchen, a studio inside the kitchen, or material inside the kitchen, whatever it is, you will have the complete facility inside like a 3-star hotel. FAQ, I'll just answer some of this question. Later you can write the questions also and ask me or ask Mr. Krishna also. What if my suite or flat is not occupied? Now you may say, because when I use a sentence called the company itself will have 10 or 15 suite of their own also, this may be the question which usually arises in our presentation. What if it is not occupied? I've already answered that to you people, so I'm sure you are clear about it. It is a complete division of the total amount earned. The income is shared equally with all the owners on an average occupancy ratio. That is, you get income even if your flat is not occupied. A very fair system. Now you know what, another 1 or 2 question. Will the flat be registered in your name? Like any other flat, like any other house you are buying, it is totally registered in your name. Here, yes sir. Here, yes, absolute sale deed will be executed. Now here one more final question. Can I sell at any time, or is there any other condition? Now you can sell at any time. There are no conditions. You can sell at any time. But the person who is buying that flat at that time also should agree with the terms and conditions of the 2/3 of the majority. And any time, because you're going to ask this question, I'm just clarifying it right now only. Any time. See, our goal is to have it for 15 years, did you say? Yeah, our goal is to run it for 15 years. Okay, 15 or 17 years or 20 years, whatever it is. Give it a minimum 15 years. But any time, maybe 5 years from now or 7 years from now, 2/3 of the majority decides we are not going to run the hotel project. We want to stay on our own. If 2/3 of the majority decides, the 2/3 of the owners decide, then the hotel project will be stopped and people can occupy it as their respective individual flats which they are particularly booked for that one. I think this question is also clear.
No, whether there is a lock-in period for that.
Would you say this?
Whether there is a lock-in period for that. See, suppose tomorrow itself, after getting it registered, all the 2/3 majority will say, no. We want it as, we don't want to run it as a hotel. We want it on our own.
I'll explain that.
Income and all that.
Yeah, he'll explain that. Yes, he'll take all those questions and all. Yeah.
And suggestion is there should be a lock-in period for that.
Yeah. Okay. Now each should cost with the interiors, with the complete interiors, it costs 27 lakhs 18,000 rupees. I'll give the breakup to you people right now. These are the breakups over here. Now here at 700 square feet we're talking. You may get even for 650 square feet. There's even 750 square feet, 800 square feet, or maybe more than that also. 700 square feet at 3,022 lakhs. All this breakup is given over here. You will be getting the complete details in the format. Once you are registering over here, you'll get a complete brochure with the cutout also according to the square feet which you want when you're choosing that layout over there. Here, then long-term benefits. I'll just cover this as an adding a point for you. The returns can be used effectively as a pension plan or source of a monthly income also. See, you are investing right now. Even sometimes people buy a house. Maybe they will not be able to get that kind of rent. Today, you know, we all know the fact. If today's newspaper also, Times of India, which covered an article about Indiranagar, wherein it says on 100 feet road, there are more than 13 commercial complexes which are empty from 6 months to 1.5 years. but they have not reduced their rent. But the rent, he says very clearly in the article, the owners are not ready to reduce the rent over there. They are still saying, what, can I have some water? They are still saying 250 rupees.
It's available there.
The owners are still saying 250 rupees per square feet. Some saying I want now give it for less because I've not got for 6 months, 1 year, 2 year also. Now anyhow, can be sold lifelong, can be treated as some kind of insurance, lifelong income, can be sold any time over here. Some of the existing owners of Nisarga Suits. This is not our first presentation. You people are very fortunate. Morning presentation we had at 12:30. 4 people have confirmed booking. Another 8 people have already paid the advance amount out of some 25-30 people over there because of this one simple reason. This is we already conducted 4 seminars in Lee Meridian, another 4 or 5 in what is that? Hotel Ashoka. Now we have Dr. Bharat Chandra, who is an international trainer and the speaker. He's already taken the flat over here. He's on Mrs. Bharti Vishnuvardhan. Before Mr. Vishnuvardhan expired, they have taken this particular flat. The other people who are the CEOs of many IT companies, software companies are all taken this over here. Doctors of various specialty, referred by a lot of other people have taken, and successful business people also have already invested over here. Many people have invested at the techies and software people and all because they see it's a viable, most powerful business system, business concept for the investment what they are making also. Now I know here, today's offer, let me finish it and then you can take the question answer session. Today those people who book right now, I know you have to see the flat, we will be giving you an application form for you to fill a form if you are interested for having a site visit. I know you will have a site visit. I know you have to look at the agreement papers. Okay, is there 2 kinds of agreement? Yeah, all those things you will be knowing those details a little bit later. But there's a special offer right now today. Those people who book today, maybe with 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. Because if you book tomorrow, you may take it tomorrow also. You may take it day after tomorrow also. But you may not get this offer that time. Now if you book today, you get a 10 grams gold coin for here people who book today. You're booking. By chance you book today, we are paying 2,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. But tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you are not interested. You are going to get back your full money also. We are very fair in that one. So 2 days later or 5 days later, you say I'm not interested. I don't want to buy the flat. You will get your complete money back immediately. But if you book it today, okay, and then you decide to take it later, you are getting this eligible over here. You are getting 10 grams gold coin. A question asked in the morning session was it 14 carat or 24 carat? And the answer was that for that it is 24 carat pure gold. Now I finished my session right now. I know there are a lot of questions in your mind right now. What we like to do is, should I explain that, Krishna? What I request you is, because I have seen people asking the same questions over there. We have a very different system based on our experience. Whatever questions you have over here, we want you to write it with a neat handwriting over here. Please take 1 or 2 minutes time. Just write all your questions which you have over here. People who are very seriously looking at as a prospective buyers. Write down all these questions over here. Mr. Krishna is going to come over here and answer all your questions. I give you 1 minute time for you to answer this. Write down all the questions which you have in your mind right now.
One question, since I came late.
Yeah.
Kirtana is ready for occupation?
Yeah, ready for occupation.
Yeah.
If the building is ready?
Ready.
Then what about the other one? What is that? That suit? Gateway?
Please, questions, sir.
No, I just want to know. Before
Yeah.
I write the questions.
It is it in the first basement or what?
Because I'm more interested in the one which is already ready.
What questions you have, please write it down. See, anyone who is a prospective buyer will have a lot of questions. If you are very serious, there are a lot of questions in your mind. You can decide later. We are not telling you to decide right now. Decision is only after you look at the lot of things over there. But before you decide, questions are there in your mind.